Yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. So what's popping at the Pretty Lounge this week is we're doing some long passion twists, some very long passion twists. I got the hair from Amazon. Well, my client purchased the hair from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. They have a bunch of different colors, and I really like the one she purchased. It was a nice ombre color. We are doing the rubber band method. I do think this is the best method for longer, big part passion twist. Instead of doing, single part braid, trying to braid in the hair, I really don't feel like our hair blends with that hair that well. So to me, it's best just to go ahead and rubber band, the parts, plait the hair in the rubber bands, and then basically wrap that hair around the plait so that way you can get, a longer lasting style, and your hair isn't popping out from, being a different texture than the actual twisting hair. When I first started doing these like a couple years ago, I was like, our hair is not blending with this hair. I'm doing something wrong. Something's not right. And I figured out it's just best not to blend the hair. Just go ahead and plait your own hair and then basically wrap that hair around your hair, or create the twist, with your hair solid in a plait, and then, twist with the extension hair. So you'll see me do that throughout this video, but we are doing large parts. I do large parts with this style. I don't do smaller passion twist anymore like I used to, but this style is super cute. It is perfect for a vacation. So if you're going on vacay and you need something quick but that's still giving, island or anything, yeah, go ahead and get some long twists like this. The hair on Amazon is very cheap. I actually supply this link to all of my clients to get this hair. It twists within itself very well, so it creates a very nice twist. And it's cheaper than going to purchase, a bunch of packs from the hair store. So I will include that link in the description box. I am so happy that y'all are here again with us on another Sunday, another noon drop on a Sunday. And yeah, if you are liking my videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every week. We do drop videos every Sunday at noon. And yeah, I'm still waiting on y'all to tell me what y'all want to see. I mean, I'm doing all kind of stuff at the shop. I'm trying to get into the habit of filming more. Sometimes it's back-to-back clients and I just don't have time to bring my camera out, but I do have some videos lined up for y'all, and I'm just so excited for what's to come for the Pretty Lounge. So make sure you are subscribed so you can keep up with what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. And yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, put your questions in the comment section. I will be sure to get back to you. But this is a very straightforward, easy style that I'm doing using, just some gel, some rubber bands, some oil, a crochet needle, and some twisting hair. It's very easy. I will say, because I'm going to hop off here in a second just so you can continue watching, per twist, I think I use anywhere between 6 to 8 strands of hair. I can't remember the exact number right now. So it's anywhere between 6 to 8 strands of hair. So, you'll get that pack. The pack comes with 6 packs of hair in it. And then, per twist, I'm using 6 to 8 strands of hair. And then I'm crocheting that behind, the rubber band. And then I'm just twisting the hair with her hair until I surpass her hair. And I'm just twisting the extensions itself. Again, she did get an ombre color. I will show that here in just a second. I don't really know which color it was. I can't remember. But, just stay tuned. This was a super cute look. She was going on a trip somewhere. And this got her through. I just saw her on Instagram the other day and she still got this in. So, hey, girl. I don't want to tell everybody your name, but hey, girl, you was looking cute. I saw you. But, yep. Just stay tuned for the rest of this video. And if you have any questions, go ahead and drop that in the comment box and I will get back to you. All right, y'all. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all next week.
No. Yeah.